How to transfer from safepal to cash app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to transfer from safepal to cash app. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your cash app account, and after that just log into your account simply, and after that just simply open your safepal account. I'm right now in the safepal's official website in the health center, where I'm reading this article to you, where you will be able to find out the solution how you will be able to withdraw or transfer the money from safepal to your cash app account. So the process is quite simple. You just simply have to begin by opening the safepal app, and after that just navigate to the asset list and select the cryptocurrency or the kind of money that you would want to transfer to the cash app, and after that just click on the send icon within the safepal app, and after that just simply enter the destination and address, which should be your cash app deposit address, and you can find your cash app address under the settings which says fund or bitcoins, and after that just specify the amount of cryptocurrency or the money you want to transfer, and after that just select an appropriate fee to ensure efficient processing without delays. And then you have to simply confirm the transaction details while reviewing all the transaction details carefully, including the destination address and the account or the amount being sent. And after confirmation, authorize the transaction by entering your security password or using fingerprint authentication. And after authorization, your transaction will be broadcasted to the blockchain, and the time taken for this process can vary depending on network congestion on the gas fee selected. And yeah, this is basically how you will be able to transfer safely from safepal to cash app. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.